Hi, this is John with WATI. And lately I've been having to eat a lot outside home. So making my meals as easy, as convenient, as fast as possible has been great due to this Toufayan pita bread. And I'm gonna tell you one of the things that I like about this. This is a bread that is flat, but you can cut it in the middle and you can fill it up with your different types of food that you can use. You can do ham, you can do cheese, you can spread your sauces that you want to do. And it's just a great option due that is healthy. This is a vegan option, and just because it's vegan doesn't mean that it's a bad taste. Actually, I had previously one of these guys, and I was actually pretty surprised because I said, okay, low calories, not so easy to eat. Maybe it's not gonna taste so good, and it actually surprised me. It actually tastes awesome. The texture, it's really nice, and you just know that you have a great alternative for your everyday bread that maybe if you eat it too much could not be as healthy as you want. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.